Fiji, namaste, good evening, and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your number one show. This is Chechemon, and I hope you're having a great evening from whatever part of our beautiful country you're joining me from. A montage of some of our pioneers of Fijian modeling to welcome you into the show. We flash back to some of our household names from the 80s and 90s tonight, names of models that are considered Fijian fashion icons to this day. Now, when it came to the fashion shows of the 90s, you couldn't help but notice one of my three guests tonight. Fijian supermodels Zelda Thomas, Priscilla Singh Williams, and Bridget Middenway were three stunning faces that ruled the Fijian catwalks. And rightfully so. After all, they knew how to command attention with their style, poise, and charisma. I sat down with the three icons to take them down memory lane and talk about their modeling experiences from the 90s. Take a look.
Heaven knows I was just a young boy, didn't know what I wanted to be. I was every little hungry schoolgirl's pride and joy, and I guess it wasn't enough for me.
What a privilege to be sitting with three of our former big names when it comes to modeling in Fiji. Bridget Middenway, Priscilla Singh, and Zelda Thomas. Now, three household names in the 90s. It's a privilege to be sitting with you. First of all, Bridget, we'll start with you. How did you begin your modeling career in the 90s?
Mine started back when I used to work at Morris Hedstrom in the finance department. They had a fashion department downstairs at Morris Hedstrom, which is now the MHCC building. And every time they had new clothesline that come in, they used to come upstairs and, Bridget, can you just model this clothes for us? You know, this new range. It all started from there.
How about you, Priscilla? How did you start modeling in Fiji?
Well, it wasn't intentional, I must say. Zelda is a very close family friend, and she basically cornered me. I used to work upstairs at the Honson building, and her cousin, Doreen, at the time, used to own a boutique downstairs. And they were always in search of new faces to walk the catwalk, and yeah, that's how it began for me.
Zelda Thomas, one of the icons. You started way back in 1984. How did that all start?
I started doing brochures for the different hotels, and I think it was called the Courtesy Inn then. That was my first one. Peter Hennings was the photographer. And then from there, did a few in Savu. I think, is the Nakora Resort still there? That was all.
I think it's called.
That's called now, okay. And then joined TW, Tanya Whiteside, started with her. That's the 80s. And then, of course, with Mrs. Sweetman, Anna Sweetman. So, got a lot to thank her for.
When you first started modeling in the 90s, what was that experience like for you? Probably as a teenager when you started. So what was the experience like, if you could describe it for us?
I was scared. It's like, scared of the camera and scared of people just looking at me, because I wasn't the type of person then, to actually go out and wear a bikini or wear a new dress, and walk around and show it off. I was more held back. And then when Zelda and Zena Jenkins came into the picture, it actually brought that side out of me, and I was like, if you have it, flaunt it.
Well, I must say that the initial experience was quite daunting, because I'm very camera shy. I still am, actually. No one believes me, because I'm quite a confident person. But when it comes to being in front of the camera or right in the public eye, it's something that I still have to get used to. So for me, it was confidence building. It really helped build my esteem a lot.
On the catwalk, when it was my first time, and all I could hear was my heartbeat. The music, everything. Didn't hear the music, nothing, and you're just on autopilot. And because, we used to rehearse for hours in those days, we didn't look, we all knew where we were supposed to be. So, you just keep moving, but all you hear is your heartbeat. That happens for quite a few times. Eh?
What was the highlights of your modeling career back then, Bridget?
The one that I can remember is the one, there's this dress, a black and red dress with a cape made by Hupfield Herder, and it had
crisscross all the way down the back, right down the bottom to the floor. You had to wear G-strings with it, and I think I was the only one, the first person to wear G-string on the catwalk, and that was during the Red Cross Fashion Awards. I was told to just cover my back and walk out, and when I turn around, I just drop the dress, and then you see the whole bare back.
I recall quite a few outfits during the day. One was called the Poison Ivy. I was a lot bigger than most of the other girls. So they put me in this dress that actually emphasized my shoulders, and to me that was like a no-no because I wanted to be just like the rest.
The whole experience, I wouldn't change anything. Made a lot of lifelong friends, and it was a lot of fun. And a large part of my life, was fashion, is fashion, still is fashion. So, but I can't really pick out one particular moment. Yeah.
In your opinion, what do you think, or what is the best thing about being a model back in the 90s?
The rocky 90s, we just had so much fun. We were allowed to be ourselves, like Zelda said. We were talking earlier on, and Zelda said, we were allowed to be ourselves.
Being a model in the 90s was being part of the pioneer team, so to speak, and that was the best time ever.
We were allowed to be a personality on the catwalk, and become what you're wearing. So we did that quite often. And also, we used to do short skits as well. So, in the middle of the catwalk, we'd do certain things together. So we'd change it up all the time, but we were allowed.
If you had to offer one advice to any models, or to all the models that are currently on the scene right now in Fiji, like what advice would you give them?
Oh, a lot of advice. No, our parents teach us to be humble, to be kind, to be yourself. Off the stage, when you're on the stage, be the same. Do the same thing. Be humble, be kind, be yourself.
I strongly encourage you to embrace who you are first before you go out there and try and be or change yourself to please another.
Rehearse, really rehearse. It doesn't matter how long you've been a model. Rehearse, take the time, because at the end of the day, you're the example and role model to the next young girl that's coming on the scene. So if she doesn't see your commitment to rehearsing and punctuality, turning up on time, why should she?
Three icons of Fijian modeling, original supermodels, Zelda Thomas, Priscilla Singh Williams, and Bridget Middenway, reliving some of their favorite memories and experiences when the trio were part of the modeling fraternity that ruled the catwalks in the 90s. Aside from the trio, other honorable mentions include Grace Mbunimasi, Sandhya Nand, Emma Volavola, and Marlene Buniwanga. We meet a little later in the show. This is our 90s special tonight. More Fijian modeling icons to light up your screen next. Keep it locked on Chechemon.